We have finally arrived in Dubai. Look at the airport.
Yes, it is very big and modern. I like the glass walls and the shiny floors.
Dad, the airport is huge. There are so many people from different countries. Mama, there are so many people here. They look happy and excited.
Yes, Lily. People are traveling from many countries to Dubai.
Please stay close to us while we walk. The airport is very busy and full of people.
Mom, everything is so clean and shiny. I like it here very much. Mama, I like the big lights. They are so bright and colorful.
Let's stand in this line for passport control. It looks long, but it will move quickly.
Here are our passports. Keep them safe, children.
Dad, why are we waiting here? It is taking a long time.
This is passport control, Adam. The officers check our passports before we leave.
Mama, I am a little tired of standing here.
It is okay, Lily. We will finish soon and then we can get our bags.
Now we can go to the baggage area to collect our suitcases.
Mom, I see our big black bag. That's ours. Mama, there is my pink bag.
Good job, everyone. Let's make sure we have everything.
Let's go to the taxi stand. Our hotel is not very far from the airport.
The weather is warm today. It feels sunny and nice.
Dad, I see many tall buildings and wide roads. The city looks very modern. Mama, there are many palm trees everywhere. They are very tall and green.
Yes, Lily. Dubai has many beautiful palm trees and wide roads.
Look at the cars. There are small cars, big cars, and even sports cars.
Mom, I want to see everything. The city looks amazing and busy.
This hotel looks very nice. The lobby is huge and the lights are shining brightly.
The reception desk is very big. The staff are very polite and helpful.
Mom, the floor is shiny. I can see my reflection in it. Mama, it smells nice here. There are flowers in the lobby.
Yes, Lily. Let's get our room key and go up to our room.
Our room is on the 10th floor. I hope we can see the city from our window.
Dad, I cannot wait to see the view from our room. Mom, our room is very big. There is a large bed, a small table, a sofa, and a TV. Mama, the bed is soft. Can I jump a little?
No jumping, Lily, but you can sit and rest on it.
Look out of the window. You can see the city, the roads, and the cars moving.
Dad, the city looks so small from up here. The cars look like toys.
Let's put our bags down and rest for a few minutes.
Are you hungry? The restaurant looks very nice and cozy.
Yes, I am very hungry after the long flight.
Mom, I want chicken and rice, please. Mama, I want noodles with vegetables.
Okay, we will order food for everyone.
Look at the menu. There are many dishes, pasta, burgers, soups, and salads.
Dad, I want to try something new. Maybe a small salad with vegetables.
Good idea, Adam. Let's try different foods while we are here. Let's go to the window. Look at the city lights at night.
The buildings are shining with many colors. The city looks alive and busy.
Dad, the lights are everywhere. Some are red, blue, and green. Mama, I see many cars moving. They look like tiny toys.
Dubai looks amazing at night. The city is busy, but very beautiful.
Mom, I want to take a photo of the city light.
Good morning, everyone. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mom. I slept a little, but I am ready for today. Mama, the sun is shining. I can see it from my window.
Today we will go to Dubai Mall. It is very big, and there are many things to see and explore.
Let's get ready. Don't forget sunscreen, hats, and comfortable shoes.
Dad, I am excited. I want to see everything in the mall.
Look at this mall. It is huge. There are many floors, many shops, and even an aquarium.
Please stay close to us. It is very easy to get lost in such a big place.
Mom, there are so many shops. Some have clothes, some have toys, and some have shoes. Mama, I see a toy shop with dolls, stuffed animals, and puzzles.
Yes, Lily. We can visit the toy shop after we look around.
Dad, I want to see the aquarium too. I heard there are many colorful fish and big sharks inside.
Good idea, Adam. Let's go see the aquarium after visiting some shops.
Let's take a break. Ice cream will make everyone happy.
Mom, I want chocolate ice cream with sprinkles and chocolate syrup. Mama, I want strawberry ice cream with small pieces of fruit.
I will have mango ice cream with a little whipped cream on top.
Let's sit together and enjoy our ice cream.
Dad, the ice cream is cold, but very tasty. I love it. Mama, my ice cream is sweet and yummy.
Look at the tallest building in the world. That is Burj Khalifa.
It is very tall. I think it goes into the clouds.
Dad, it is so tall. I cannot see the top from here. Mama, it looks like a giant tower in a storybook.
Yes, Lily. We will go inside and take the elevator to the observation deck.
Mom, I am a little scared of heights, but I am also excited.
The elevator is very fast. Hold on to your hands.
Mom, my ears feel funny when we go up. Mama, I am holding your hand tightly.
Look outside the window. The city looks very small from up here.
Dad, the cars and roads look like toys from this height.
Take a photo so we can remember this moment forever.
Today we will go to the beach. Wear your hats and bring your sunscreen.
Dad, I want to swim in the sea and play with the waves. Mama, I want to build sand castles and find pretty shells.
The sea is very blue today, and the weather is perfect for swimming and playing.
Let's enjoy the sun, the sand, and the water carefully.
Mom, I love the feeling of sand on my feet. Mama, I found a small shell.
Today we are in the desert. Look at the sand everywhere.
Mom, the sand is so soft and warm. Mama, what is that big animal?
That is a camel. Camels live in the desert and can walk long distances.
Dad, I want to ride a camel. It looks fun, but a little scary.
Don't worry, Adam. It is safe. I will hold your hand.
Let's eat dinner here. There are tables and food under the stars.
Mom, the food smells really good. I am very hungry. Mama, I want some rice and vegetables.
Today was a fun day. The desert is beautiful at sunset.
Yes, it was special. We will remember this forever. Today we will buy some souvenirs for our friends and family.
Dad, I want to buy a small toy for my friend at home. Mama, I want a small doll.
Let's look at everything carefully and choose nice gifts.
This will be a good memory from Dubai. Today is our last day in Dubai.
Mom, I will miss this city. It is amazing and full of fun things. Mama, I like Dubai. I want to come again one day.
Let's pack our bags carefully and check everything. We are back at the airport. Time to go home now.
This trip was wonderful. We saw so many things and had so much fun.
Dad, I learned many new things about the city, the desert, and the sea. Mama, I am happy. This trip was very fun.
We made good memories together as a family.
Goodbye, Dubai. We hope to come back one day.
Mom, I will never forget this trip. Mama, me neither.
Thank you for traveling with us to Dubai. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words with our family. If you liked this video, please like it and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English stories, travel adventures, and fun learning videos. See you in the next story. Bye!